Hello, today I will teach you how to unlock Nokia SL3 Rapido new hash by USB cable using Infinity Nokia Best dongle. First, Infinity Best dongle software version 1.24.1. Second, connect USB cable to phone. The phone should be switched off. Third, now go to Repair tab and press RD key. Power on phone. Now remove the battery, connect again and press power. Go to Unlock tab and press Upload job. Your job uploaded now will be unlocked after 6 hours. Do you want to continue? Press yes. The job has been successfully uploaded and the code will be ready in the specified time. Thank you for using Infinity Nokia Best dongle.